So Tommy is like, you know, asking if it's going to happen, then
There's no eyeliner either.
I like that there is gate right there that the hubs and dimples just can go through with that little door. I put everything. There's so many, you know, can over here, guys. You see me, like there's a lot of drinks. I put the drinks under here in the drawer. Oh, this is like sliding like this, but it's so freaking heavy now. Look, but I can slide it. And right here too, behind these things. So that's what I did because it's too much here. And Tommy just keep buying. I mean, when we have a party, there's more in the garage, guys. There's more, a lot of soda can, different kind, like, you know, ginger ale, Sprite, whatever. And that's what we do when there's party. And the only thing, that's why we got can, because once you open the bottle, it's not good in a few weeks or months or whatever. Okay. Sobrang taas. It was really long, guys. Look. So long. Where's that one? Okay. I think this is enough. Hi, this is gonna be my dinner. Look, egg, the tuyo, at saka yung vinegar. Yun ang dinner ko, guys. At saka bahugan ko na yun later, yung mga dugi-dugi ko kasi, oh, gutom na yan. So, kakain lang ako. So, I'll see you later. Thank you, guys. Yummers, guys. Oh, yummers, 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 and Mr. Yummers. Good morning, guys. But I want you to see my little princess in there. She's just really cute. She just love to just sit there and look at the house. That's who she is. She just do that every time I let her out. Yeah. Look, she's coming because she heard me talking. She's coming. She's coming. She's coming, my baby. Yes, I know. I talk to you, baby. I talking about you, baby. Yes, my love. Good morning, guys. Come in. Oh. No, you know what I think? Look. You know what I think when she come running? Because she think I'm talking to her sister and she doesn't like it. Roxy doesn't like the fact that I go talk to her sister, lovey-dovey with her. Ay, naku, Roxy. You're such a fun little princess to Mama now. Yeah, so I'm just doing the bread right here. The coffee is right here. And so what I'm gonna do is hot sugar. I'm gonna leave soon, guys. I just wear this shirt back because I always wear back over and over again. Okay. Oh, I don't need to bring this freaking laptop charger. What the heck? I will bring my cell phone charger and the iPad charger. Yep. I gave them dry food already, and the dog also dry food. Roxy's eating right there. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna be leaving soon at 7:45. I leave her at 8. That I will be there at 9:30. Bye, guys. See you in the car. I see you in the car. Bye. I'm gonna pick up my mother-in-law. I wanna know where's my gas. Yes, I need a gas. Ay, nako. I don't like honestly, I don't like going to the gasoline station. I hope I can see Tommy. Well, I called Tommy. He's still in the shower. It's 8:03 already in the morning. And yeah, the thing is open. I just open it. I was driving over there and I tried to turn, and this woman, I wanna turn because I wanna turn to go out from the gasoline station, and she's blocking me. And then she have that, when you're driving, you're gonna end up, guys, if you're gonna start driving, you're going to end up you're going to encounter people that doesn't like what you're doing. They try to go out and they block you, and they're the one who's gonna get like upset because you're like I don't know. It's kind of stupid though. It's encountering people that act stupid. I'm just going to listen some music. Okay, I'm gonna tell you a quick story about why we get 2 dogs. Actually, my mother-in-law have 1 dog. Her name is Honey. She passed away, and she loved that dog so much. She's been with her for a long time, and she passed away. It's sad. I was there when the dog is dying. It's really sad, heartbreaking. But you know, I wasn't attached to the dog. She's a good dog, but I'm not too attached. You know, she's a good dog, period. I think I'm almost, not really, 30 minutes away from the house, and I think it's going to rain. I think this area here in White Plains area, White Plains, I think it's been raining because the road, you know, is wet. Okay, continue about the dog. So we went to Long Island to go to the shelter because they have a lot of different kind of puppy, because we're looking for a puppy for my mother-in-law. We found Misty, the black one, and she is sick. She was sick, you know, when she was a baby. She doesn't want to move. She doesn't want to just like, you know, move. And then she get like, you know, and she's not a good looking dog, to be honest with you. When she was a baby, guys, I told my mother-in-law, Mom, there is like, oh, there is brown dog, that's Roxy. There's a brown dog. There is another one looks like Roxy, but it's kind of black and white, you know, black and brown and white. It's mixed color. And so then my mother-in-law start doing like saying that, why don't we get 2 dogs, and then I get like, no, we're not getting 2 dogs. Okay, I say that we're not getting 2 dogs, and Tommy doesn't want to get 2 dogs because the first thing, because Tommy want a shepherd, but I want husky, and then it's expensive and we cannot find husky. So hold on, guys, I have to pay attention to those cars behind me. It's really like crazy. Let me see. There's a truck. There's a truck. This is happen when you are driving, and so if it's like rainy, the people drive like crazy. I mean crazy, like slow, which is good. But some people are like freaking out, so they have to get slower and slower, and people are get pissed, they get faster and faster, and that's what accident happen all the time. Every time it's raining, accidents always on the road. Like you will see a lot of accident everywhere. And yeah, look at this guys behind me. She cannot wait because I'm slowing, because there's a car behind in front of me. It's slowing, so I have to slow. I don't, you know, we're in a good speed limit here, you know. It's just, that's what it is. It's speed limit. People are in a hurry and stuff like that. That's what happened. The pumpkin is beside me now. Pumpkin. Okay. This car is just whizzing. Like I'm supposedly going first because I just in the highway, and he just came out from the local road to the exit to go in the highway. Oh my god, the car is just, oh shit. Luckily I pay attention, guys. I pay attention with my mirror and the back rear mirror, this one, and the right side mirror in the side. And I was paying attention. I said this car is gonna keep going, and he or she's not going to brake and don't anything. So I have to, like, I said, this coming is closer and closer. I brake because he won't stop it. If I don't stop, that means it's going to do my freaking side. We're gonna okay, so we look for a dog. We got Misty. We found Misty. It takes forever to pick, guys. My mother-in-law, it takes forever to decide because there is a Chihuahua. She like the Chihuahua too. The Chihuahua just keep yapping, guys. Keep yapping, and Tammy and I doesn't like Chihuahua whatsoever. We are not a big Chihuahua fan, guys. They are yappers and they yap too much. I mean, Roxy yap, but it's not like the Chihuahua. Oh my God, when we saw the Chihuahua is so loving, kissing us. And then my mother-in-law, she like the brown one, Roxy, but she kind of feel bad with Misty. Misty was sick. Misty is no energy. I'm telling you, Misty now, I know who she is. She's scam. She is a good scammer. I will tell you story. And so, to make story short, my mother feel bad of Misty. And Misty, every time, she always hold Misty because she feel bad of Misty. And I said, oh my God, this brown one is so cute. Mom, why don't you just get the brown one, Mom? Because it's the cutest dog. Roxy is the cutest, guys. She have the cute baby face. Like, oh my God, it's like an angel that came from heaven. Okay, so this is the thing. My mother keep insisting, why don't you just do the puppy and stuff like that. And I love Roxy when she was baby. She is so the cutest thing ever. So Tommy, this is what happened. Tommy did like tell the people if one family can adopt 2 dogs, 2 puppies, you know, because it's not supposedly. You cannot supposedly adopt 2 puppies in one family. I don't know, that's the freaking law in there. So Tommy is like, you know, asking if it's going to happen, then if they said yes, then that means we're gonna get 2 dogs. And I get so pissed, guys. I was really pissed and so angry. 2 puppies, are you kidding me? What is this car? Oh, it takes forever to drive. Seriously, are you driving or you're like marching? I get so pissed, guys, but I kind of at the same time I'm sorry, guys, I just keep cutting up because I just like it's turning, and then the car in front of me, it was very slow, and then luckily he moved in the other side, so I'm away from him. And I'm almost home anyway. So that's it. We get 2 puppies, and then we named it Roxy and Misty. So yeah, so that's how we name it. And my mother-in-law takes forever to pick Misty's name, so Roxy have her name already, and we called the monkey the black dog because she doesn't have a name for a week. I mean, when we get Roxy, guys, Roxy have that very the face of Roxy when she was a baby. It's amazing. We've been in the shelter for, you know, we've been in the shelter for like visit for like I think four times, and everybody stopped to, you know, to pet Roxy and to be like telling like how cute she is, because Roxy's face not that long when she was a baby. I don't know why. I will put a picture here of her face. It's really small and freaking, yeah. Pagdating sa dulo, nalamba-lamba yung pinig kapalaran, umanap ng iba. Okay, Tom is going to work. Yeah, men's for men's. Look, you dropped something. Throw that out before the dog ate it. There's no dog. Tom is going to work. My love. Hey, chambalulay. Chambalulay. What is that, gum? Ay, nako, you take a lot.
A lot.
Let me see if I can find gloves in here. I'm looking for gloves. No gloves. Oh, I found another one. Okay, I'll bring this. Look, my slipper, guys, na kinain. Oh, where's the other one? Look, my slipper, my Islander. And Roxy eat my Islander, baby. Roxy eat my Islander, baby.
Wow.
Oh well. There's no well, huh? It's soy sauce.
There's no eyeliner either.
You're wet. Ah.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Come out and say goodbye.
Bye.
Crazy just inside waving. Love you, Ann. Good luck. Drive careful.
Drive careful, my love.
Good luck with your shopping.
Okay, no, I think we're just gonna go. I love you. Where do you put it? Hi guys, we're at Home Goods right now, but I let my mother-in-law go inside because I kind of worried about this car. I mean, the car that beside me, it's a lot of dent, and it's sideways, so if you're gonna hit the thing, it gonna hit my car, and I don't like that. It's too much dent in two cars already. And I'm just gonna put this car properly because honestly there's no one is really leaving though. I'm just gonna keep turning and find another parking because this is crazy. Or I like this. 16 bucks. So we're here at Home Goods. Let me see how much is this. 16 bucks. This is nice right here too. This is unique. It's unique. Oh my god, I like this one. There's no price. I love this. This is so cute. So pretty, guys. This one too. Oh, look at this. Yeah. What?
I said it's a green and white, but it's a clear.
Yeah. They don't have much colorful, guys. This blue. It's blue. They don't have much colored curtains here. It's all like... I like this idea, guys. Gawan ko yan. At ito din. Itong mga idea na to. Ganda as in. I like this, guys. It's a bench with the storage in it. I don't know where's my mother-in-law. Let's go look for her. I like this thing. Oh, I like this. It's a couch, but it looks like a bed. 800 bucks. Yeah. No, I like this color. All these colors right here. The white's here too, Mom. It's all white. Nice. Yeah. I like it. It's so nice. What is this for? It's a dipping sauce. It's a dipping. Sobrang ganda. This is what I like, guys, like a teacup. It's right here.
All those.
Teacups.
That's a pretty pretty.
What the heck is this? It's 100 bucks. We are going to get we already came out from Home Goods and we don't find anything. Well, well, they don't have the curtains. The color is different. So
What they have in color is only gray and black, and then everything else is white.
yeah. Hi guys, we are home and I'm gonna have lunch, but before that I'm gonna give my dog eateries because that's what they want. Ang kakainin ko lang rice, soka at saka sili at saka sardines. Masarap yun nga sardines ligo, guys. Yung ligo sarap. Hi guys, i-end ko na tong vlog na ito. Salamat guys sa panonood, sa walang sawang panonood ng mga vlog ko. Salamat sa inyo. At si Roxy nag-iiyak-iyak nandun sa hagdanan. Kawawa naman, gusto talagang Gusto talagang matulog katabi ko. Ganyan siya. Naawa ko. Hindi naman yan malikot pag nakahiga na. Hindi malikot na gano'n lang. I put medicine on here. Anyway. Salamat sa panonood ng mga vlog guys. Sa walang sawang panonood. At kita-kita kits bukas. Bukas guys. Bye! Yes girl. You don't need vinegar? But